This is Amar. I'm the program director in IBM and leading the digital analytics platform in the software labs of IBM. I've been associated with the RAISE for last 4+ years and working closely with the business analytics batches of the RAISE and helping them on some of the use cases and then some of the delivery of the courses related to the big data and some of the data processing areas. The kind of people who are joining in this course comes already with a number of years of experience in the IT and wanted to expand their opportunities for the career movements or the switching their careers for a better opportunities. And with the kind of help that RAISE has actually gathered and got the mentors from various industries, especially from the startups to from the IBM like a major organizations, and then some of the individual consultants. So in this area, so it's actually really helping these people to gain the experience and then expertise to increase their opportunities in the industry. That's definitely helping. And I was also part of some of these project evaluations in this area, and then I've seen that the project's quality was actually good, and the business problems that they have taken is also very much close to the near realistic problems in the industry, and then get a hands-on experience for them to showcase in their end projects. And also the opportunity that they are actually building using these real-time use cases and then the help of the mentors, definitely a plus point for their careers. And then will this be useful for the people to opt for? Yes, definitely this is a very helpful and then valuable to those people who really wanted to build somewhat a very deep expertise within the area of the analytics and then take their career to the next levels. And also this is not just only meant for a specific group of IT population, be it developers, they can actually take it, or program managers or project managers, they can actually opt for it, and then they can actually use these skills for managing the large projects much better, or spectrum of analytics areas, they can expand their skills, and then with that breadth, they will get a lot of opportunities to switch their careers from one area of the analytics to the other area of the analytics. It's broadly speaking, it gives a lot of opportunity. I've seen and then interacted with the multiple people involved in this one, and I've been mentoring few of them in person that are actually closely associated with IBM, and I see that okay, this is actually helpful in their careers. Thank you.